Hola, hola amigos, aquí estamos desde Boca Ratón y hoy vamos a hacer una demostración de todo lo que ha aprendido Brian a cocinar.
Sí, yo estoy viviendo en Boca Ratón,
Yeah, what are you eating, Brian?
I'm eating Cuban crackers, Grandma.
Okay, say hello to the subscribers. Welcome
Hi,
back.
subscribers. I'm living in Boca Raton, Florida.
Okay, so what are you eating?
I'm eating Cuban crackers.
Cuban crackers. Can I have one?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, Brian.
You're welcome, Grandma.
Okay. Entonces vamos a estar haciendo huevos hervidos con Brian.
Sí.
Brian, ¿cuál es el primer paso?
Ok, primero agrega agua al sartén. Pon el sartén aquí y ahora enciende la olla. Que se espere que se hervide.
¿Y cómo ponemos esto?
¿Cómo se pone?
Adentro siempre.
Adentro así siempre, cómo se pone. Y espere que se hierva y después buscar algo para echar los huevos en eso.
Ya, so ahora esperamos que el agua esté hirviendo para poner los huevitos.
Sí.
The water is boiling. What we gonna do now?
Now we add the eggs in.
Okay.
But
How you do it?
But gently add in your boiled egg.
Yeah, put it in, put it in.
Gently
And
add
leave
it
it.
in.
Yes, perfect.
Now grab another one. Gently add it in.
Yes.
Gently. And get the other two.
Make sure that it doesn't hit each other.
Yep. Try.
It's okay. Put it inside the water. Yeah.
Yep. And break. And we add in another one. Gently add in your boiled egg. Gently. Then add in your other boiled egg. Gently add it in. Gently.
Okay, so now what is the next step?
Now we
have 5 eggs inside here. What are we gonna do now?
Now we put a 10-minute timer.
Yeah, 10 minutes timer.
10
And then we
minutes
wait for
the
them
eggs
to be ready.
boiled. 20 minutes, no, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And choose what ringtone for timer.
Let me see the timer. Okay, perfect.
Yep, 11:20 it rings.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Ooh, little squirrel.
Here, what are you doing here?
I'm adding some ice to the bowl and then now I'm gonna add water.
And what you gonna do with that?
What I'm gonna do with that and add in the boiled eggs. Yep.
So when they are ready, we are adding to the ice water. It's easy to peel it off.
Yep.
Okay. I will take one off.
Yep. Now you get one.
I will take one out because this is mine. Mine is only 8 minutes.
To the bowl and
Timer is ringing, right?
yep.
Close to the thing.
Right here.
Take the spoon.
Take the spoon and get the eggs. Add it to the pot.
Be careful. You have to be careful. One by one.
One by one. I got you, Grandma. One by one. I grab one by one.
Here we go. Put it in the ice, and then we stop the cooking, and then we leave it there to peel it off.
Yep.
And now Brian knows how to make boiled eggs.
Yep, I'm learning how to cook boiled eggs.
Yeah, 10 minutes boiled eggs. This is really healthy breakfast, Brian.
Yep, that is true, Grandma. Healthy breakfast.
Yeah, so every morning you can do that, and then you can add, if you want to add something else, you can add something else, like bread or anything else. Okay? What are you doing, Brian?
I'm gonna put the eggs on the napkin now and then I'm gonna peel the shell off.
Beautiful.
Let me just dry my hands.
Clean the area. That's very
Now we just
important.
gotta dry the eggs a little bit. Dry the eggs.
What are you doing now?
Gonna take the shell off now. Now we just peel the shell off the eggs now. Now let's try doing it well this time. I can try. Yep, I'm doing it perfectly fine. The way that goes correct with it. Of Janet. And the eggs
Oh,
now.
perfect, right?
Yep, it's peeled now. Now we're gonna peel this one now. Now we just roll the shell to crack it, to keep cracking.
Not too strong, just soft.
Soft, don't do it that strong.
Mark egg.
This one.
How you know?
Because
Oh,
you wrote
because we
something
mark.
here.
Okay.
Yep, because you marked it.
So my egg is only 8 minutes cook, and yours is 10 minutes. Más eggs.
Yep, I'll peel your egg for you, Grandma. Don't worry, so you can eat. Peeled full egg. Now we're gonna crack a grandma's.
You can put grandma's egg in this plate if you
Yep.
want. But now, which one is mine?
This one. the
Oh,
one
this
with
is grandma's egg. Okay.
the mark.
The last one.
Crack
Okay.
it. Yep, Grandma's egg feels a little cold. Now we're gonna peel the shell off and we'll put it in here and then we add heat. Your egg is ready now, Grandma, to eat.
Okay. Which one is my egg?
This one.
Okay. Salt, and it's ready to eat.
Yep.
Enjoy, Bri, okay?
Thank you.
Enjoy. Are you enjoying the time with grandma?
Yeah.
Yay!
You're leaving on the day 6 of next month.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Say goodbye to the subscribers.
Bye bye, subscribers.
guys. I
live
hope
in
you
Boca.
subscribe to
Bye.
this channel.
Hope you subscribe to this channel. Bye.